Have you ever wondered how to cook your meals without adding too much oil? Today, we're diving deep into the benefits of shallow frying. Shallow frying involves cooking food in a small amount of oil, typically covering about 1/3 of the ingredient. This method uses significantly less oil than deep frying. One key benefit of shallow frying is that it heats up faster compared to other methods, which means your food cooks quicker and retains more moisture. This keeps veggies and meat succulent. Shallow frying is healthier because it uses less oil, preserving the nutritional value of your meal. For instance, honey walnut shrimp benefits from this method as it maintains its texture without becoming overly greasy. Shallow frying requires smaller pans, usually around 6–8 inches in diameter. This makes it ideal for those with limited kitchen space or who want to minimize oil usage. Dry frying is a variant of shallow frying where you cook foods that naturally contain oils without adding extra, making it even more economical and less wasteful. In summary, shallow frying is a versatile cooking method that uses less oil, retains moisture, and preserves nutrients. It's perfect for keeping your meals healthy while maintaining great flavor. So there you have it. Shallow frying is a healthier cooking method that retains the nutritional value of your meal. What's your favorite food to shallow fry? Let us know in the comments.